This delicious pear salad has a variety of textures, not to mention an incredible combination of flavors to keep your meal an enjoyable experience. Learn how to make it with our easy-to-follow recipe. You would want to start by drying the pear halves gently with paper towels. Set it aside and into a mixing bowl. Add the cream cheese and maple syrup. Beat until smooth with an electric mixer. Now add in the pecans and maraschino cherries. Fold to combine. Now spoon the mixture onto the pear halves. Then top it with maraschino cherries. Let it chill for several hours before serving on a bed of lettuce. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.